This is a special place, okay? This is a really special place. It is the department with quality and it has scale. There's a lot of places that have one or the other, but not both.
This was the place where I found my own little family.
I really had a great experience at U of I in the sense of I did a lot of extracurricular activities. So I think that's something that I got so much more out of the extracurricular activities than I thought I would have in terms of leadership opportunities, connections to leaders in the field.
I have never understood people who like small schools with small departments, because I always loved it here because it was a big school and ECE was a big department, and it meant that whatever I was interested in, there was always someone who wanted to collaborate.
It was about community. I came here and I found peers and I found friends and I found my family here that got me through it.
It really pays to come from a top university. The fact that sometimes I go to a meeting, they find out I'm a University of Illinois graduate, you feel the difference. The salaries are different. Every aspect's different. So University of Illinois was good to me.
One of the things I enjoyed the most about my time here was my fellow students, of working on lab projects and accomplishing things together. And if you think about the caliber of students, your peers here, they're really incredible.
I've always been someone with a variety of different kinds of interests. And so not only did I learn to be an engineer at UIUC, I also explored a passion in many other different subjects, including music. And I think my experience has been that I've never really had to choose between being creative and being expressive and being an engineer.
Whether it's in the medical field, whether it's in the field of history, geography, technology and engineering has to be there to supplement it and complement it. It's a continuously evolving field, and to me, that is the most exciting part about being an engineer.
Getting a degree in something that you can apply to so many different industries, that framework applies across the board, allowed me to find an industry that I really found passion in.
Being here was a very transformative experience, and it really helped make me into the person I am today, who was very, very different from this shy, scared kid that showed up on campus in 1993. So this is a big part of my life.
I had one coworker, and then what he said was that, hey, you got a degree from Illinois, you got a PhD. I got a PhD from another university, so we are working in the same company, same job, a similar job. You are a designer, I was a designer. And then so what good is Illinois? And you know what I told him? I said that time will tell. You cannot tell how good Illinois is in a few weeks or a few months, but over the year you will see it. So what happened was I was promoted 3 times. After 4 or 5 years, he came and talked to me and said, "You are right. Illinois has a better training than my school."
Now, when anyone asks me, where did you go to school? Or what did you study? I'm so proud to say the University of Illinois.